Good afternoon, students. How are you all? Students, this is your English grammar class. Okay, so get ready with your English grammar book. Today we will start a new chapter, that is present continuous tense. Okay, page number 72. So open your book, page number 72. Today we will learn how to form present continuous tense. Okay, at first, an example of present continuous tense. He reads a book. This is simple present. Simple present tense. Now, if we write he is reading a book, that means right now at present he is reading a book. Okay, is reading, it is present continuous. So, present continuous tense expresses an action that is going on, that is occurring right now. Okay, that is going on, an action that is in progress at the time of speaking. Then we use present continuous tense. Okay, and each time you will notice that is, am, are. Okay, is, am, are, this form of verb plus ing. Okay, how to form? Is, am, are plus ing. Okay, this way we form present continuous tense. Is plus ing, form of verb. For example, he is reading. Okay, if I write they are going to school, look at this sentence, are plus ing form of verb, are going. We can also write they were going to school. That is also the same thing. Past tense of is, am, are verb. Okay, plus ing form of main verb. That is present continuous tense. Okay. Now normally we add ing to the root form of the verb. For example, go plus ing, read plus ing. Okay. If a verb ends in e, then we drop e. That means bite, it ends with e, but when we will add ing, we will drop e. That means biting. Come, e, we will drop e. Coming. And another rule is, in the case of some verbs, the last letter is doubled. Okay. In some cases, for example, this is a verb, when we will add ing, we will take double letter, hitting, cut, cutting. And another thing is, in case of verb ending in ie, we change ie to y. For example, die, die. At last I and E. Then what we will do? We will turn IE to y. dy. Clear? Another example is tie. Look, ie. So we will turn ie to y. Okay. Then lie, lying. So in this way we make present continuous form of verb. So come to page number 73. Number E, write down ing form of the following verbs. Number 1, break. So we will write breaking. Next, number 2, buy, buying. Number 3, coming. Number 4, cutting. Just now I told. Number 5, dying. Number 6, flying. Number 7, forgetting. Double letter. Then number 8. Number 8, losing. Number 9, putting. Number 10, sitting. Okay. So look at the board. Now number 11, teaching. teaching, teaching. Number 12, writing. Write, at the last it is e, so we will drop e. If at last t, then we will make it double. Okay. Then die, die, at last. If the last letters are ie, then we will turn it to y. Right, students? So learn this and practice again and again. Bye, students. We will meet in the next class. Bye.